In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Google Docs. Start by opening your web browser, such as Google Chrome, and heading to Google Docs. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Google account so your work saves automatically. Create a new document by selecting blank. This gives you a clean page to build on. At the top of the page, type the name of the month, like April 2026, then press enter to add a little space below the title. Keeping the month up front makes it easy to duplicate this layout later. Next, we'll insert the calendar grid. Go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Table, and pick a 7x6 table. 7 columns represent the days of the week, and 6 rows give you enough space to cover months that span across 5 weeks plus a header row. In the very first row of the table, type the days of the week from left to right: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This header row helps keep everything aligned as you add dates. Now fill in the dates for the month. Enter the numbers 1 through 31 in the correct cells, lining them up with the right day of the week for that month. It helps to reference a calendar for accuracy. Take your time placing the first